हिंदुस्तान भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे
Two female soldiers. Now they're walking back. Oh, they're doing the exact same thing on the other side. This is awesome.
I don't really understand completely what's going on.
I don't know either.
It's like vicious kicking.
Here it goes, here it goes. They're going to open it up.
हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान भारत भारत माता की
I love the aggression.
It's really surreal being here, just standing, watching this all happen like
Not
it's
quite
some.
fully understanding what's
We just watched the flag lowering ceremony at the border of India and Pakistan.